Welcome to Cozy Space Living, where beautiful apartment style meets clever decorating ideas. Today, we are exploring glam apartment accessories that can instantly make an ordinary room feel polished, luxurious, and full of personality without requiring a luxury-sized budget. The secret to an expensive-looking interior is often not expensive furniture, but the small details that complete the space. From elegant mirrors and sculptural accents to decorative trays and sophisticated textiles, the right accessories can create that high-end feeling while remaining surprisingly affordable. If you love discovering stylish ways to elevate your home, make sure to subscribe to Cozy Space Living, like this video, and comment below with the accessory you would most love to add to your apartment. Let's explore these glamorous, budget-friendly ideas together. A statement mirror is one of the easiest ways to introduce instant glamour into an apartment. Look for frames with curved silhouettes, antique-inspired finishes, geometric details, or metallic accents. Even a relatively inexpensive mirror can become a striking decorative centerpiece when its shape feels intentional and sophisticated. Consider placing a decorative mirror above a console, behind a small dining area, or on a feature wall where it can visually expand the room. Oversized designs can create drama, while smaller clustered mirrors can form an artistic arrangement that feels collected rather than ordinary. For an especially polished effect, coordinate the mirror frame with one or two other metallic accents nearby. Repeating a subtle gold, brass, chrome, or bronze detail throughout the room creates visual continuity and makes individual budget accessories feel like part of a thoughtfully designed collection. Decorative trays may be small, but they have an impressive ability to make everyday surfaces look organized and refined. A mirrored tray, faux marble design, sculptural metal piece, or glossy lacquer finish can instantly transform a coffee table, dresser, or console into a curated display. Use a tray as a foundation rather than filling the entire surface with decorations. A small vase, elegant candle holder, decorative box, or coffee table book can create a balanced arrangement while leaving enough open space to keep the display sophisticated. The best part is that trays can be moved from room to room whenever you want a fresh look. One glamorous tray might style a living room today, organize a bedroom dresser tomorrow, and become a beautiful centerpiece for a dining area later, making it a practical investment for apartment decorating. Sculptural accessories bring personality to a room because they add form and visual interest without relying on excessive color. Look for abstract ornaments, curved ceramic pieces, architectural objects, textured vessels, or artistic bookends that have an intriguing silhouette. Instead of scattering many small decorations everywhere, choose a few pieces with stronger shapes. A single sculptural object on a shelf or console can create a sophisticated focal point, especially when surrounded by books, greenery, or other understated accessories. To keep the look elevated, mix different shapes and textures while maintaining a restrained palette. Matte ceramics can sit beautifully beside glossy surfaces, while metallic accents can add just enough sparkle to make a simple arrangement feel considerably more luxurious. Soft accessories can completely change the atmosphere of an apartment, and they are among the easiest budget upgrades to replace seasonally. Velvet look cushions, silky throws, textured blankets, and decorative pillows can introduce richness without requiring major furniture changes. When selecting textiles, focus on texture as much as color. Quilted surfaces, subtle embroidery, ribbed fabrics, faux fur, and plush velvet-like materials can make a neutral room feel layered and inviting while giving it the visual depth associated with more expensive interiors. Try combining several textures in closely related shades instead of choosing too many competing colors. This approach creates a sophisticated layered effect and allows inexpensive textiles to work together as though they were selected as part of a coordinated designer collection. Sometimes the most transformative accessories are the smallest ones. Decorative books, stylish candle holders, ceramic vases, jewelry-style boxes, framed art, and refined storage containers can fill awkward spaces while giving the room a more intentional appearance. Pay special attention to surfaces that naturally attract attention, such as coffee tables, bedside tables, entry consoles, and open shelving. These areas benefit from carefully chosen accessories that combine beauty with function rather than simply adding more objects. Remember that luxury is often created through editing. Give your favorite accessories enough space to stand out. Remove anything that feels unnecessary, and repeat a few finishes throughout the apartment. The result can feel calm, cohesive, and remarkably expensive without actually being expensive. Glamorous apartment style does not have to mean spending a fortune. With statement mirrors, decorative trays, sculptural accents, luxurious-looking textiles, and carefully selected finishing touches, even budget-friendly accessories can give your rooms a polished personality and an elevated designer-inspired feel. Thank you so much for spending time with Cozy Space Living today. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your own apartment differently and discover how a few thoughtful accessories can make a surprisingly big difference. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to Cozy Space Living, like the video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite glam accessory idea. Stay tuned for more apartment decorating inspiration, stylish budget finds, and beautiful ways to make your space feel truly special.